Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gmail now, type Mail. Google, com or open the Gmail desktop app. Sign in with your account and password and make sure two-step verification is set if you need stronger security. Once done, allow permissions for notifications so new mail appears instantly. If the page stalls, refresh and clear browser cache or switch networks. This gets you to your inbox fast, so you can skip long setup and begin managing messages immediately. Now focus on handling mail. Open a message and use reply, reply all, or forward depending on need. Create labels and drag messages into them, or apply stars for priority. This reduces inbox clutter. Use keyboard shortcuts like C to compose and / to search, which saves clicks. Set filters from the search menu to auto-label or archive specific senders, and enable conversation view if you prefer threaded messages. Once labels and filters run, your inbox stays manageable and fast to scan. Finish by customizing the inbox layout and notification settings so your workflow fits how you work. Switch to priority or unread first if you want focus, and enable offline mode for access without internet. Backup important mail via Google Takeout or export to keep copies. If syncing or sending fails, sign out, restart the browser or app, and verify a map or POP is enabled in settings. This one-step restart often restores sync. Make sure to test by sending a quick message to yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.